This delicious dish pulls triple duty. Need a quick weeknight dinner that even the kids like? Done. Need an easy, crowd-pleasing appetizer for the game? Or a last-minute way to feed a crowd? Done and done. Things you'll need: 12 frozen meatballs, 1 jar marinara sauce, 12 dinner rolls, 3 tablespoons butter, melted, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, Italian seasoning i.e. basil, oregano, thyme. Step 1. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Add the sauce and meatballs to a pot. Cook over medium-high heat until meatballs are cooked through. Step 2. Slice the rolls horizontally to resemble slider buns. Step 3. Add the bottom of the buns to a 9x13 baking pan. Step 4. Spoon the meatballs along with some sauce onto the center of each roll. Step 5. Top the meatballs with mozzarella cheese. Step 6. Place the top half of the rolls on top of the meatballs. Step 7. Stir together the melted butter, salt, garlic powder and herbs. Brush the top of the rolls with the butter mixture. Step 8. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 18 minutes or until the cheese has melted. Serve warm and enjoy. Thanks for watching. For more great recipes, check links below.